You clicked on this video to make your YouTube Shorts go viral. You're at the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the secrets of making your Shorts go viral. Let's get started. The first few seconds are crucial. Start with a strong hook to grab your viewers' attention. Whether it's an intriguing question, a surprising fact, or eye-catching visuals, make sure to captivate your audience right away. Shorts are all about quick, engaging content. Aim for 15 to 30 seconds. The shorter, the better. Keep your message concise and impactful. Leverage trending sounds and music to boost your video's discoverability. Check out the trending section in the Shorts creation tool and pick something that fits your content. Even though Shorts are often discovered through the feed, a compelling thumbnail and title can still make a difference. Make sure your thumbnail is clear and your title is catchy. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to interact. Engagement boosts your video's visibility and creates a community around your content. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Use YouTube analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Analyze your audience retention, views, and engagement to refine your strategy. That's it for today's tips on making your YouTube Shorts go viral. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.